When utilizing one switch scan type, the rate and transition time of the scan pattern are controlled by the user. The individual activates a switch with a quick hit for each advance of the scan. When the scan reaches the desired row, column, button, or group, the individual then activates the switch by pressing and holding the switch for a predetermined amount of time. In this video, you will see a single switch to the right, but as we watch this scan type in action, notice the length of time the switch is activated when the user is progressing the scan versus making a selection. The user does a quick hit to advance, quick hit to advance, quick hit to advance, and then a long hold to select. Quick hit to advance, quick hit to advance, quick hit to advance, and a long hold to select.